is the relation of function and y? Well, in order for something to be a function, for every input, there has to be exactly one output. I'm going to type that up here. For every input, which is an x value, there has to be exactly one output, which is a y value. Okay, let me make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so if we look at this, these are our inputs or our x values over here. These are our inputs and these are our outputs. -7 has exactly one output, that's fine, but 11 has two outputs. Sometimes you could put an 11 and get a 5, and sometimes you could put an 11 and get an 8. This is not a function. So we're going to cross out everything that says yes, and then let's see. It says no because the x value 11 has two y values paired with it, or no because each x value has only one y value paired with it. Well, that's not true. It has two.